Hey guys, let's talk about kick-out flashings, which would go right here. So as the roof water runs down the slope and gets to this juncture point where a vertical wall meets the roof, the kick-out flashing is installed at that corner and kicks the water out into the gutter and sends it off down the downspout. When that's missing, the water seeps in behind the end cap of the gutter and then runs down the face, or even behind the face of the wall it's butted up to. And you can see here on this chimney the black streaks coming down here from the missing kick out. And of course all this wood is rotted. If you check it with a moisture meter, it just it goes bonkers. Now if you come over behind it, you'll notice that the further you get to the outside, the wetter things get. That's because the water's coming here and running down and not coming over here.